Alright folks, buckle up because today I'm taking you behind the scenes to reveal the secrets of how calendars are made. Ever wondered how those stunning photo calendars make their way onto your wall? Well, stick around because in the next 3 minutes, you're about to find out. First off, let's talk about photo calendars. These beauties start with a simple idea, capturing moments that matter. It all kicks off with a photo shoot. Professional photographers snap breathtaking pictures, whether they're of serene landscapes, adorable pets, or vibrant cityscapes. The goal? To make each month a visual treat. Next, those photos are carefully selected. A team of designers sifts through hundreds, sometimes thousands of images, picking the absolute best ones. They're looking for eye-catching colors, perfect compositions, and images that tell a story. Once they have their top picks, the real magic begins. The photos are then digitally enhanced. Think brightness, contrast, and a sprinkle of photo magic to make them pop. Designers lay out the photos in a calendar template using graphic design software. They add dates, holidays, and maybe even some fun facts or quotes. The goal is to make each page not just useful, but also a piece of art. And here's a fun fact. Did you know some calendars include hidden Easter eggs? Yep, little surprises like secret codes or tiny illustrations that only the keen-eyed will spot. Now, onto the printing process. High-quality printers bring the digital designs to life on glossy paper. The prints are then cut to size, assembled and bound, usually with a spiral binding so they're easy to flip through. And voila, a photo calendar is born. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget about other types of calendars. There are desk calendars, wall calendars, pocket calendars, you name it. Each has its own production process, but follows a similar design-to-print journey. For example, desk calendars often require sturdier materials. They need to stand upright all year long, so they're printed on thicker cardstock and mounted on a durable base. Wall calendars, on the other hand, might use special coatings to make them more durable and vibrant. Oh, and have you heard about perpetual calendars? These are designed to be used year after year. They usually feature a unique system of rotating wheels or sliding panels to update the date. Talk about ingenuity! Now for a quick cliffhanger. Ever wondered what happens to unsold calendars at the end of the year? Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal the surprising answer. But first, let's talk about you. What kind of calendar do you use? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you're enjoying this peek behind the scenes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Alright, here's that bonus tip I promised. Unsold calendars are often recycled or donated. Some even get a second life as craft paper or educational materials. Pretty cool, right? And before you go, don't forget to check out my next video where I dive into the world of digital calendars and apps that are changing the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.